Hi, welcome back to Sales Tips. I'm Christopher Beasley. Today's sales tip: learn how to pay attention to body language and watch for buying signals. This is very important, mainly because it's one of the things that's going to tell you how well you're doing as a salesperson, okay? As a sales professional, you want to get your customer's body language facing you fully engaged, all right? And so you do this by make sure you get their name early on in the interaction. A lot of people skip that, but it's very important. Also, you want to nail that rapport portion, okay? When you're developing rapport with the customer, you want to nail that. Both of those is going to help you get that body language under control and where it needs to be for your presentation, okay? Now, as you move forward in the sales process, as time goes on, you're going to want to start listening or paying attention for buying signals, all right? That's huge because that's going to tell you when to start wrapping up the sales process and ask for the sale. Now, examples of buying signals would be when the customer nods their head yes, or maybe they ask you what form of payment do you accept. Another one of my favorites is when they ask about delivery, okay? Maybe asking about after delivery services, or should I say post-sale services, okay? These are all big signals that the customer is interested and that you've sold them, all right? So when you see those, you want, like I said, you want to wrap it up and ask for the sale, okay? Now, what happens if you get to the end of your presentation, but you didn't get any buying signals, okay? So you want to ask yourself, did you really do a good job on gaining that rapport? You know, that's important because you've missed something in the sales process. You didn't get the buying signals. You want to go back through your steps and maybe reiterate some things. You might want to do some more discovering because you didn't hit the pain points. You didn't satisfy why the customer's there. Okay? So you've got to hit that nail on the head before you get that head nod. When you start asking about delivery, then you sold them. Okay? So, for you sales professionals that's already in the field, how about a time where body language and or buying signals was pivotal to you getting a sale? Maybe you missed something, went back and then corrected course of action and got it under control. I want to hear about those times. Leave that in the comments, all right? Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the bell icon so you can get notifications, all right? I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.